Oh, hello. This is Tak Chung from Walk with Tak. My YouTube channel is to promote home cooking as a way of life. I used to just cook one kind of fried rice. I learned that when I was working in a Chinese restaurant. They only cook one kind of fried rice and they use it as an alternative to white rice. For years, I prefer white rice over fried rice. I consider white rice as a blank canvas, and I find fried rice to be too distracting. However, over the years, I have found other use for fried rice. I gradually developed different kind of fried rice, which I will show you in this video. I have posted 3 videos to the background of this particular video. You might want to take a look if you have a chance. The first video is on different ways to cook rice. And the second video is on how to prepare rice for cooking fried rice. And the third video is a template for making a basic fried rice. These videos will provide you a guidance for making different kinds of fried rice. I divide fried rice into 3 different types, depending on what the fried rice is going to be used for. The first type of fried rice is the rice that I use as an alternative to white rice. This is the kind of rice that is served in most Asian restaurants. This type of fried rice contains mainly rice with minimum of other ingredients. I recently made some with barbecue ribs. They go well with it in substitution of other type of carbohydrates. One of the most common version of this type of fried rice is a turmeric fried rice. Turmeric has a earthy flavor and gives the rice a nice neutral taste. The second type of fried rice served as a side dish is used to supplement another dish in a meal. This type of fried rice contains more distinctive ingredients. They are usually designed for a particular meal. They're also the most common type. For example, I recently made a ham fried rice to accompany a vegetable soup. The third type of fried rice is less common. It is frequently used as a meal. In this type of fried rice, the ratio between the rice and the ingredients is usually about 1:1. More ingredients that are present in this fried rice make it more resemble to a main dish rather than a side dish. As you can see, you can create many different types of rice depending on what type of roles you want the fried rice to play in the meal. For example, I created a quick meal for some friends. I cooked a fried rice whole meal dish in 15 minutes for 5 people. This fried rice dish started out with 5 different kinds of vegetables that I have already prepped and available in the refrigerator. It took me only 10 minutes to cook this fried rice vegetable medley. I thawed out some frozen sliced chicken while I was cooking the fried rice. I cooked the chicken teriyaki style and I poured the chicken over the fried rice. I then put the wok on the table and served the dinner directly from the wok. I had a nutritious dinner cooked from scratch in 20 minutes for 5 people. This meal is cooked entirely spontaneously. I do not pull out a recipe card or open a cookbook. Everything is in my head in the form as a template. In future videos, I will show you the template to make all 3 types of fried rice. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel if you would like to receive notifications of my future postings. See you next time. Stay safe.